This is the Tinkercad model for the CarryBot electronic circuit and Arduino code. This is deliverable number 4. This is a search and rescue robot whose name is CarryBot. And you can see from the images here that each of the motors will power the wheels of the CarryBot. There are 4 wheels on each side, and they are powered by a battery per wheel. So a total of 8 batteries. They are connected to the motors and they power the CarryBot. There is a power button here that will turn on and off the CarryBot, and we'll see through the code how this is automated. There is also an alert LED, and then there is a vitals screen here that will monitor the victim's vitals. The CarryBot is intended as part of a search and rescue exercise where rescuers can use this robot, turn it on through the power button, and have it able to locate victims, extracting them from their location, being able to monitor the vitals of the victim while transporting them to a medical site or providing them to medical rescuers. Once the victim has safely reached their destination, the CarryBot would return to the area affected and search for additional victims. We'll see with the code that once all of the victims have been extracted or the CarryBot is unable to detect any additional victims, the CarryBot will return to its original location and power down, ready for redeployment. So let's take a look at the code and we'll start simulation. Okay, so simulation has started. So we have defined the power button, the victim sensor, the vital sensor, the LED lights for the CarryBot. Okay, so as part of the setup, the power button is considered an input. The victim sensor is an input. And then the alert and status LED or just LED are the outputs. It's what we're going to see. Okay, so as we turn on the robot, we'll see that it will print that the CarryBot is ready for deployment. So when the power button is set to low, okay, then the robot is to be turned on. And now the reading will say CarryBot powered on, beginning search and rescue. Okay, then it will search for victims and the status light would be high, so it would turn on. If the victim sensor is low, then the victim value will be true and the robot will communicate that the victim has been located and executing the extraction. Okay. If the victim is found, the robot will return and it will document that the victim extraction is complete. And this loop will go on and on until there are no more victims to be found, and therefore we are returning to base and shutting down. Thank you.